Ethereum value equivalent to $29.15 a coin. The present exchange cost range, between 857.64 $29 and 30.87. The earlier day close, between 800 and 81.40. The change was plus 33.72, plus 117%. Backwards rate, US to ETH. Ethereum conjecture for May 2024. Initially cost at $3,755. Excessive cost $44.96, while low cost $3,755. The normal for the month $4,052. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,202, change from May 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $4,202. Excessive cost $5,078, while low cost $4,202. The normal for the month $4,557. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,746, change for June 12.9%. Ethereum gauge for July 2024. To start with, cost at $4,746. Exorbitant cost $5,518, while low cost $4,746. The normal for the month $5,042. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,157, change for July 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $5,157. Excessive cost $5,603, while low cost $4,869. The normal for the month $5,216. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,236, change for August 1.5%. Ethereum figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $5,236. Excessive cost $5,761, while low cost $5,007. The normal for the month $5,347. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,384, change for September 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $5,384. Exorbitant cost $5,819, while low cost $5,057. The normal for the month $5,425. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,438, change for October 1%. Ethereum gauge for November 2024. To start with, cost at $5,438. Exorbitant cost $6,003, while low cost $5,217. The normal for the month $5,567. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,610, change for November 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $5,610. Exorbitant cost $6,014, while low cost $5,228. The normal for the month $5,618. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,621, change for December's 1.2%. Ethereum estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $5,621. Exorbitant cost $6,174, while low cost $5,366. The normal for the month $5,733. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,770, change for January 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset cost at $5,770. Excessive cost $70.25, while low cost $5,770. The normal for the month $6,283. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,565, change for February 13.8%. Ethereum gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at $6,565. Exorbitant cost $71.05, while low cost $61.75. The normal for the month $16,621. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $16,640, change for spring 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $16,640. Excessive cost $82.41, while low cost $6,640. The normal for the month $7,306. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $7,702, change for April 16%. Ethereum figure for May 2025. At the outset cost at $17,702. Excessive cost $83.95, while low cost $72.97. The normal for the month $7,810. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $7,846, change for May 19%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place, cost at $78.46. Exorbitant cost $8,731, while low cost $75.89. The normal for the month $8,082. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $80,160. Change for June 40%. Ethereum conjecture for July 2025. At the outset, cost at $8,160. Excessive cost $10,829, while low cost $8,160. The normal for the month $89.79. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $9,466. Change for July 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. Before all else, costed $9,466. Exorbitant cost $9,466, while low cost $75.26. The normal for the month $18,638. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $8,092. Change for August 14.5%. Ethereum estimate for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at $8,092. Exorbitant cost $8,092, while low cost $69.63. The normal for the month $17,659. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $7,487. Change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset, cost at $74.87. Excessive cost $92.93, while low cost $74.87. The normal for the month $18,238. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $18,685. Change for October 16%. Ethereum gauge for November 2025. In the first place, cost at $18,685. Exorbitant cost $8,685, while low cost $6,784. The normal for the month $78.62. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $72.95. Change for November 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $72.95. Excessive cost $72.95, while low cost $5,699. The normal for the month $16,604. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6.28. Change for December 16%. Ethereum figure for January 2026. Initially cost at $6,128. Excessive cost $6,128, while low cost $4,788. The normal for the month $5,548. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,148. Change for January 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at $5,148. Exorbitant cost $6,141, while low cost